If your HP Offset Pro 8025 prints color on the status report, but your documents come out black, only don't replace your ink cartridges yet. Me customer almost did. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Help people fix real printer problems without wasting money, and this one completely confused my customer. They told me my printer prints color perfectly on the printer status report, but when I print a document from my computer it only prints in black. Now, this is important. If the status report prints in color, that tells us something powerful. The hardware is for ink, is for printhead is working. So the problem isn't the printer, it's either a print setting issue or a temporary nozzle blockage during computer print job. So I walk them through it step by step. I said, let's check your print settings before we touch the printer. Open the document, press Ctrl+P on Windows or press Command+P on Mac. Click Properties or Preference, look for Grayscale or black and white. And this is where people get caught. Even if your printer supports color, if Grayscale is turned on, it forces black only printing. So I told them make sure it's set to color or full color. Also confirm paper type is plain and quality is normal or high. In their case, Grayscale was already off, so we moved deeper. I explain it since it prints color on reports, but not consistently from documents, we may be dealing with a minor nozzle blockage. So I guided, then tap the gear icon, go to printer maintenance, select clean printhead, select the full cycle completed and interrupt it. It may take a few minutes and make priming noises. After the cleaning finished, we tested again. The printed a colorful document. This time for color perfect output, no missing shadows, no black, only print, no cartridge replacement needed.